Tell me the story.
One day, had a snake. The snake saw the bird, and then he jumped. He wanted to eat the bird, and then he fall down, and then he very hard. And then the snake saw the chicken, and then the snake say, "I want to eat you now." And then the chicken say, "Okay, but I ask you some question. You can do. You can eat me. You don't can do. You don't eat me." And then the bird ask the question, "What 100 times 100?" And then the bird say, the chicken say, "Snake." The snake. When I say 1, 2, 3, you don't have answer. You don't eat me. When I say 1, 2, 3, you have answer. You eat me. And then the bird say 1, 2, 3, and then the snake don't have answer. The chicken say, "No, you don't eat me. You go back home away." And then the snake say, "I am very hungry," and the snake go away.